Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng isang stylish short na perfect for any occasion? Nako, kung ako sa inyo, subukan nyo to. Isang produktong napakaganda galing ng Yours Regular Dry Fit Shorts. Breathable, lightweight, and perfect for your daily OOTD or workout. At ang mas maganda pa dito, mabibili niyo siya for only 180 pesos only. At nako, buy one take one pa sila at free shipping pa. Alam nyo guys, yung colors na favorite ko is yung red tsaka navy blue. Yun po yung pinili ko. Pero depende na po sa inyo kasi may mga choices po kayo mga colors dyan. At imagine guys, 4.7 ang rating niya. Trusted by many satisfied buyers all over the Philippines. And this is perfect for gym workouts, pangbahay, pang chill wear, pang lakad, or outdoor activities. Don't ever miss this steal deal. Click buy now. Nasa yellow basket po natin yung ating product guys before stock will run out. Imagine guys, dalawang shorts sa halagang 180 pesos lang. Nako, sulit na sulit po. Komportable pa, kaya bilhin nyo na. Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy pa.